Hey y'all, today welcome back to my channel. So I just got home from a long night of Easter filled fun activities. It just turned 10 o'clock right now. Like, our Easter stuff didn't even like really start until like 5:30. But I got a Honeyduke's Miniverse Harry Potter, and we're going to make it today. So I'll be right back when this is unboxed. Okay, y'all, let's open. I have this, which goes in the bowl. I would do that later. We have 2 bags. I think I know what this is. Yep. This is so cute. I got the chocolate frogs. Look how cute the mini boxes are. Wait, do I actually? They come apart. I'm literally going to come to school, and my class, we have a few Potterheads, or I have a few Potterheads in my class, so he's going to be jealous. So, it's the little cards. We have Harry, and we have Harry Potter, of course. And the second wizard is Dumbledore. Aww. Then, of course, we have the little mold. And then we have the stuff. So I'm going to make these and come back when they're finished. So I have a little bit of a problem. I can't find the light that dries the stuff. So I have to look around my room and hopefully find it. I'll get back with you guys and see if I can find it. Okay, y'all, it's the next day. I don't have a lot of time left, but my phone died last night, so I have to do this right now because I had to babysit my brother. But basically, hold on. We have the mini chocolate frogs. They actually open. This one has Dumbledore's card in it. The other has Harry's. Then we have a little platter with 3 chocolate frogs on it. Then I had a leftover frog, so I super glued it to this.